I'm David Pearce, head gardener here at Whatley Manor, and today I'm going to be showing you some of the autumnal treasures around the garden. Here at Whatley Manor, we like to use fruits and berries around the garden to provide a lot of that late summer garden interest, which also find it's really good for biodiversity, and a lot of our birds really appreciate things like rose hips being around the garden. So here I have Rosa pimpinellifolia, which originally comes from a lot of southern Europe and all across the continent really. We plant it here on really quite dry soil just above our meadow, and it really does colour up with this amazing autumn colour, as well as these wonderful almost black rose hips. Here in the hot garden we have another autumn do-gooder in the form of Malus Golden Hornet, which is just starting to yellow up now, but for the next sort of 3 months it will be a riot of golden colour even once the leaves have dropped, which really will showcase this 100-year-old arch which we have at the end of either end of the hot garden. But this not only looking amazing in autumn, it also provides really good resource for biodiversity and wildlife, and it also looks spectacular in spring when the tulips coincide with that gorgeous pink